How to improve your body, mind and spirit by practicing Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is a 5,000-year-old system that is used to improve the health of your body, mind and spirit. Hatha Yoga combines the stretching exercises of the asanas. Breathing techniques and mental concentration are included in Hatha Yoga. The lotus position of the asanas is used in Hatha Yoga. The goal of Hatha Yoga remains the same as that of the other types of yoga. The goal of Hatha Yoga is to blend the spirit of the universe with that of the human spirit. The spiritual, mental and physical health aspects are improved amazingly with the practice of the Hatha Yoga. It also gives you peace of mind and improves your concentration. Concentration is the root ingredient of any yoga and its success. In some ways all the types of yoga are related. Preparing the body to give in is the main goal of Hatha Yoga. If the mind is relaxed and the spirit within you is enlightened, you won't feel the pain and the stress that you are experiencing. This is achieved with the practice of Hatha Yoga. You need to understand the relation between your body and the spirit. If you do not understand the relation between them, you might get confused. Your spirit is responsible to accomplish any task. If your body is not fit, then your spirit may not accomplish what is wants. Hatha Yoga helps you to maintain your body and hence the spirit positively. This positive attitude keeps your mind healthy with good concentration. Hatha Yoga comes to the mind of the people when they hear yoga, since it is the popular branch of yoga. The other types of yoga that gave rise from Hatha Yoga are the Kundalini, Ashtanga, Bikram, and Power Yoga. Hatha Yoga is considered and known as the vehicle of the soul. Hatha Yoga is so relaxing that it drives both your body and spirit into the universe. This feeling can be compared to a person floating with no gravity at all. Many people are easily distracted by the outward forces and may not be able to focus on a particular task. Such people can get benefited with the Hatha Yoga. By constantly practicing Hatha Yoga, you can find the divinity in yourself. This helps you to become stronger, relaxed and flexible apart from enlightening you. With harmony between your mind, body and spirit, the spiritual energy will flow through the open energy channels. This is achieved only with Hatha Yoga. A healthy body is necessary for your mind and spirit to be strong. This is done by the practice of Hatha Yoga. It is easy to handle stress and get relieved of your pain and passion with the constant practice of Hatha Yoga. If you are exhausted with your work, Hatha Yoga makes you relax. Thank you for watching.